want to do a juice drinking contest?
Yeah.
Juice box, because we're really thirsty. And we gotta wait 30 minutes so we can't use the washroom. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, and after we're gonna do a burping contest. I'm gonna win. Why would you spill it? And my dog came out.
Say!
Ew!
Fine here.
Ow! It spilled on me. I'm done. Okay, now for the burping contest. I'm just waiting for it to finish.
I can't take it.
Oh!
I can't take it. I need to burp.
Hurry up! Hurry up! You need to. And then there's gonna be a loudest burping contest. It's kind of gross.
Almost done.
I'm gonna just throw my thing away. I gotta reach away.
Wait! I'm almost done! Can I go for this?
Okay, just 1, 2, 3. That's how I go.
Can you do that? Do it. Can you do it hard here? Not that hard.
Okay.
I got stuck on my throat. Oh my gosh. I need to. Can you need to do that thing again?
Okay.
I'll throw it in the garbage. I mean
Keep on trying to burp. You might burp.
No. I burped!
How loud? Not much. How much? So. Okay, I'll do 1, 2,
Push, push,
go.
Oh my, yours was up to here.
No. Okay, bye. Sun, sun, sun.